Alright, so you're going to want to find the worst piano you can,
So I told the session player to pull up the cheapest piano sound he could find.
and play some chords that are pretty much as easy as it gets. Next I'm going to move on to this triangle, spice it up with a bit of reverb and make it hit like this. I don't know, it gives it a bit of swing or whatever. Who could have guessed? We're going to put the clap in the exact same spot it always is. Two-step hi-hat pattern, really putting our skills to the test here. I'm almost certain this like 4-bar drum loop is the most basic in hip hop and it still regularly tops the charts. Like what? Don't worry about the 808, just find the one that hurts your ears the most and you're set. I had some of those whoosh things because the 808 clips way too much without it. Finish off with some automation and then just like ruin the melody. And here's what it should sound like.